Hello, Chef here with a quick review for you. So this is a very heavy steel pan. It's as thick as a quarter. It weighs almost 5 pounds. Made in France since 1830. The quality is there. Wow. Look at those heavy rivets. You can't go wrong. Super thick bottom. You can beat the hell out of this pan, toss it around for years and years and years, and still pass it off for generations. What a great functional piece of cookware. Learn more at the sponsor right there. Have a great day. Keep cooking. Please like, share, subscribe.
The Pear Bird.